Today's my topic is one dimension motion. Clear? Unit 1, Unit 2 का पार्ट फर्स्ट है. क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाट इज वन डायमेंशन मोशन? अ बॉडी मूविंग पोजीशन O to position P is known as वन डायमेंशन मोशन. यानी ऐसी बॉडी जो एक ही डायरेक्शन में जाती है उसको हम वन डायमेंशन मोशन कहते हैं. क्लियर हुआ? नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द टाइप ऑफ मोशन? नंबर 1, टू टाइप ऑफ मोशन. नंबर 1, यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. क्लियर? एंड नंबर 2, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. क्लियर हुआ? सो a body moving in equal time interval, a body moving in equal time interval in equal distance is known as uniform motion. Clear हुआ? A body moving in a equal time interval in equal distance is known as uniform motion. Clear? ठीक है. Number 2, a body moving unequal distance in unequal time interval is known as non-uniform motion. Clear? Now, question 3, what is distance and displacement? Clear? So, a body placed at O and final state P. A body moving O to A and A to B and B to P. This is path first. And body A to C and C to P. This is path second. ठीक है. सो लेंथ ऑफ पाथ इज नोन एज डिस्टेंस. लेंथ ऑफ पाथ इज नोन एज डिस्टेंस. क्लियर? Length of path is known as distance. A body placed at point O and point P. Body moving O to P. The minimum distance between O and P is called displacement. Clear? So, minimum distance between O and P is called distance. Clear? So distance is a difference between final position and initial position. ठीक है? Distance is displacement is a vector quantity and distance is a scalar quantity. SI unit meter, here SI unit meter. Clear? So this is distance and displacement. Both are fundamental quantities. Now question 4, what is speed and velocity? Clear? So Ratio between distance and time is known as speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Clear? So speed is equal to distance upon time, means ratio between distance and time is called speed. Clear? And let a distance is x and time is t, that is speed is equal to x upon t, means distance upon time. SI unit meter per second. Clear? SI unit meter per second. This is question number 4. Clear? By velocity. Ratio between displacement and time is known as velocity. Velocity v is equal to displacement delta x and time delta t. Clear? So ratio between displacement and time is known as velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Clear? Velocity is a vector quantity, means direction and magnitude both are present in a velocity. Clear हुआ? But speed is a scalar quantity. ठीक है? Question 5. What is acceleration? Clear? तो change in velocity with respect to time is known as acceleration of body, represented by small a. Clear? So acceleration E is equal to change in velocity, यानी delta v upon delta t, means acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Clear? Acceleration is a vector quantity. SI unit meter per second square, and dimension formula mlt minus 2. Clear? So this is known as acceleration. Acceleration, that is a vector quantity, and positive acceleration, negative acceleration, also called zero acceleration. Question 6. Write the first equation of motion and prove it. Clear? So answer: if initial velocity u, final velocity v, and acceleration a, then v is equal to u plus at. Clear हुआ? This is known as first equation of motion, means v is equal to u plus at, where v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, and t is the time. Clear? Now proof. We know that definition of acceleration: a is equal to change in velocity with respect to time, that is delta v upon delta t. So a is equal to delta v, means final velocity minus initial velocity. The final velocity v minus initial velocity u, final time t, and initial time 0. So a is equal to v minus u upon t. So a is equal to v minus u upon t. So at is equal to v minus u. So u plus at is equal to v. That is v is equal to u plus at. This known as first equation of motion. Now question 7. Write the second equation of motion and prove it. Clear? So a displacement of body is small s, and time taken t, and acceleration a, then s is equal to ut plus half at square, where u is the initial velocity and t is the time, a is the acceleration, and s is equal to displacement. So displacement s is equal to ut plus half at square, This is known as second equation of motion. Now, proof. Let us consider initial velocity of body u and final velocity is v. That is average velocity is equal to u plus v upon 2. Clear? But average velocity is equal to total distance upon total time. Clear? So, total distance is equal to average velocity into total time. Clear? So total distance S, average velocity u plus v upon 2 into total time t. Clear हुआ? So first equation v is equal to u plus at. Clear? So S is equal to u plus, putting v की वैल्यू कितनी, u plus at upon 2 into t. तो S is equal to 2u plus at upon 2 into t. Means S is equal to 2u upon 2 at upon 2 into t. So 2 से 2 cancel. S is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at. This is known as second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at. Now question number 8. Write the third equation of motion and prove it. That is, if initial velocity u, final velocity v, acceleration a and displacement s, so v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is known as third equation of motion. Now prove. We know that average velocity is equal to u plus v upon 2, equation 1. But total distance is equal to average velocity into time. Average velocity into time means total distance as average velocity u plus v upon 2 into time t. ठीक है? अब now first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. So v minus u upon a is equal to t. Now S is equal to v plus u upon 2 into time t. V minus u upon a. That is, S is equal to v plus u and v minus u upon 2a. Means 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So u square plus 2as is equal to v square. Means v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is known as third equation of motion. Now, question 9th. Find the distance of body in nth second. Means nth second means nth सेकेंड में बॉडी के द्वारा कवर डिस्टेंस को हमें फाइंड करना है. क्लियर? नाउ आंसर. लेट अस कंसीडर a body cover distance nth second is Sn is equal to ut plus half at square, equation 1. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू सेकेंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. एंड बॉडी कवर डिस्टेंस in n plus 1 second is Sn plus 1 is equal to u t plus 1 plus half a t plus 1 का स्क्वायर. क्लियर? सो t के प्लेस पे हम t plus 1 पुट करेंगे. क्लियर हुआ? सो distance of nth second is equal to Sn plus 1 minus Sn. क्लियर हुआ? यानी हमको nवा सेकेंड में डिस्टेंस बताना है. मीन्स आप कितना चले nth सेकेंड में. सो एक पहले वाला n प्लस 1, बाद वाला n माइनस 1, इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो बीच का डिस्टेंस कवर होगा. Means Sn plus 1 minus Sn. Now putting the value, Sn plus 1 means u t plus 1 plus half a t plus 1 का स्क्वायर minus Sn ut plus half at स्क्वायर. क्लियर? सो ut plus u plus half a ओपन कर देंगे. ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर से ओपन किया, टी प्लस 1 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस यू टी माइनस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर. सो यू टी से यू टी कैंसिल हो गया. क्या बचा? यू प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर प्लस हाफ ए 2t प्लस हाफ ए माइनस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर. हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया. सो यू प्लस इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन निकाला हमने? 1/2a. सो यहाँ क्या बचा? 2t और प्लस कितना बचा? 1. क्लियर हुआ? सो डिस्टेंस कवर बाय nth सेकेंड, डिस्टेंस ऑफ nth सेकेंड is equal to u plus half a 2t plus 1. Clear हुआ? So this is known as fourth equation of motion. Distance covered by nth second, u plus half a 2t plus 1. Now question 10th. What is vt and st? St means displacement time, vt means velocity time curve. If a body moving in the x direction, then graph between s and t means time t and distance s 0 1 2 3 4 0 2 2 फिर 2 सेकेंड में भी 2 2 एंड 2. ठीक है? सो डिस्टेंस in y-axis and time in x-axis and draw a curve is known as ST curve. Clear हुआ? So here x and y, x axis पे टाइम एंड y एक्सिस पे डिस्टेंस s मीटर में, टाइम सेकेंड में, 1 2 3 एंड 4, 0 1 2 3 एंड 4, डिस्टेंस है 2 4, सो 1 पे भी 2, 2 पे भी 2, स्ट्रेट लाइन कर्व. दिस इज यूनिफॉर्म मोशन एंड दिस कर्व इज ST कर्व. क्लियर हुआ? एंड ठीक है, वेलोसिटी इज y एक्सिस एंड टाइम इज x एक्सिस एंड ड्रॉ अ कर्व is known as velocity time curve या velocity time graph. Clear हुआ? So this is known as velocity time curve, means VT curve. So if velocity 0 2 4 6 time 0 1 2 3 means x axis पे time सेकेंड में एंड y एक्सिस पे वेलोसिटी मीटर पर सेकेंड में. ठीक है, सो 1 2 3 टाइम हुआ, वेलोसिटी 2 4 एंड 6. कर्व इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. क्लियर हुआ? तो कर्व कैसा आएगा इसका? स्ट्रेट लाइन. ठीक है, सो दिस इज नोन एज वेलोसिटी टाइम कर्व. तो स्लोप ए, एक्सेलरेशन ए इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ VT कर्व. क्लियर हुआ? मीन्स ए इज इक्वल टू स्लोप मीन्स 2 पॉइंट P एंड Q. कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 x2 y2. So A is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is delta V upon delta x. This is known as delta y upon delta x. This is known as acceleration. Clear हुआ? So V पे हमने यहाँ पे क्या लिया? वेलोसिटी लिया है. So A is equal to कितना हो जाएगा? डेल्टा V upon डेल्टा x. This is known as acceleration. तो स्लोप ऑफ VT कर्व इज कॉल्ड acceleration A. क्लियर हुआ? सो दिस इज नोन एज वेलोसिटी.